Hi guys, so welcome back. Today we'll be doing an unboxing of the Asus B450 Gaming Pro 2 motherboard. So uh, says here I need to take a video, so that's what we're doing right now. Let's get this thing open. So the reason why I bought this one is because my previous A320 board died on me. So right now we're getting one. I got this from PC Express for about, let's see, how much was it? It was on sale, priced at around 5,000 plus. This thing is usually at around 6,000. So at least the packaging is good. Lots of bubble wrap, and the box is actually very huge. I'm not sure why. I don't usually buy the high-end type boards or the mid-end ones. I usually buy the lower tier ones because I don't really overclock those boards. But seeing as I couldn't get my hands on another A320 that was from Asus or the same model, the EX Gaming one, and I didn't want to get the A320 Prime, so I had to get this one, the tough one, the B450. So here we are. And reason why I went with Asus again after that board died on me is because my whole rig's set up with Asus Sync. So no choice but to go with Asus again, since the fans, keyboard, mouse, and most of the peripherals are on Asus's Sync system. So no choice. That's a lot of bubble wrap. It's one huge box. So, I'm really used to the seeing its cheap boards, the A320s. They're only small box. They only use small boxes, so I'm not really sure how big of a box this A450 is. Ah, there it is. All right. And tons of more. Well, at least you gotta give them props for using a ton of bubble wrap. At least your item is safe. PC Express. All right. Let's go ahead with this one. At least they didn't skimp on packaging it with lots of bubble wrap. Because, for very expensive items like these, uh, some sellers just don't even ship them with bubble wrap. And this one shipped with a lot of it. Dang. So, this whole unboxing thing is gonna be about how to remove bubble wrap. As I remember, not sure why PC Express is the one showing it through, because they might be handling the official Asus Store page on Shopee, because that's where I ordered this from. So I'll put the link on the description. Yes. I wonder if we can pull this out. This is hard. Should we take this thing onto the board? Yeah, looks like they no. So aside from tape, we also have shrink wrap. Okay. All right, we got that up from that one. All right, one more layer to go. Let's see. Yes, finally. And have a receipt. Oh, it says PC Express. Cool. So, here's our Tough Gaming B450M Pro 2 with, of course, rsync. Man, this thing's heavy. Yeah. So, there we go. So we do have the BIOS flashback, noise cancelling microphone, rsync, and I think this has two PCIe slots so you can do crossfire. I'll need to verify that later. Yes, dual PCIe. All right. What else? So here, supported memory up to 4400, and backwards compatible up to 2133. So you can still use your old ones. Because I'm using 24. Hopefully, I'll still be able to use those. All right. Let's get her open, shall we? And there we have it. Brand new motherboard. Okay, let's set this aside for a bit. Let's see what else is inside the box. So we have our IO shield, which is nice. There's the Tough Gaming logo on it, color black. Cool. One SATA cable. Uh, I was wondering about this. Are these stickers? I think there's. Yeah. Yep. They look like stickers. So cool. You have decals for your CPU. This will be nice to decorate the tower with. A little extra that will go a long way, actually. I'm liking this board. Certificate of reliability. Hopefully, this thing is as reliable as it claims to be, because that Asus A320EX gaming was just relatively new and it died on me. So hopefully, this tough board lives up to its name. Oops, something fell. What was it? NVMe screws. How thoughtful. Older boards didn't usually come with those, and you had to find ones yourselves. User's manual. Eh, And here is the board itself. Let's put that there. Alright. No foam underneath. That's weird. Usually these things have foam underneath it, but this one doesn't have that. So alright. Here we go. Nice. This thing's pretty heavy because of probably all the heat sinks on it. Um, Micro 80X, almost. I think it's almost the same size as the A320 board I had. So there we go. And back ports. You have some USB 2s and 3s, one display port, one HDMI, USB Type C over there. And you have your standard PS2 ones. Oh, pretty nifty board. So, that's it. If you like my video, hit like and subscribe. And follow for more videos, upcoming ones. I'll probably be doing some other videos about this time survival gear. Thanks.